Hey, it's Jared from Impact 90, and today we're going to review how you can add a link to text. Okay, so to start off, we're going to go into Edit. And if you need a refresher on how to add text, how to add simple text like this, you can go back and check out video 4. That talks about how you add a text box, a text block, an image block, or a spacer. In the next video, we're going to talk about spacers, but for this video, we're just going to focus on how to add a link to text. So say I want to add a link here. It says, go see my YouTube video. Okay. Or let's just do go see my website. Go see my website. And so we want to add this to text and we want to link this to an external site. So we'll just copy that. We'll go up here to the link icon, click that, and we'll go down here. We'll go to www.impact90.com. And then we're going to go to the gear icon. This is an important step. If they're external links, I always like to have them go open in a new window, which is going to open in a new tab. And then we'll hit apply. And then we're going to add another link right here. And I'm just going to show you how you can. So the first one we did, this one is an external link. This is going to be an internal link. So we'll go up, hit this again. And now we're just going to hit /welcome. Welcome, this is the URL slug for our homepage on this particular website. And we're not going to go we can go in the gear icon, but we're not going to go hit open in a new window because it's going to keep people within this existing website. So we'll do /welcome. And once again, this is the URL slug. So this would be this website name.com/welcome. And then we'll hit apply. And then we're going to hit save. And now we can play around with these links. And if I go to this link, well, here we can do this first. If I go see my website, it's going to open up a new tab and go to impact90.com. As it did. Perfect. And if I go to the other link, and this would say, go home. Obviously, we just highlighted something for an example. This would take me back to the home page. And to get back, I'm going to go sample folder, basic page updated. And there are my links. That is about it. So once again, if you want to add a link, a little review, you're going to highlight the text that you want to highlight. You're going to go up here and click your link, and you can either put the URL, you could put the URL if it's an if it's an external link, for example, impact90.com, or you would do a / and put in the URL slug that corresponds to the page that you would like to go to. And that is about it. I'm going to hit save, and we will see you for the next video where we are going to go over the spacers. Remember, we've already talked about how to add images, how to manipulate them. We've talked about text now. We just talked about how to do links, and we're finally going to talk about spacers. So I'll go ahead and I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much.